Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to put together a emergency kit in case your lights are out. This can happen to any of us, and after that, you know, the situation in Texas and different things that's happening over the world, I realized I needed to put a kit together in case we have a power outage for a number of hours. So the first thing I did was picked up a clear shoebox from not the Dollar Tree, from Walmart for 88 cents, and I added this lighter to light the candles, and I also added these push lights that I got years ago at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add those in there, and it's 3 of them, and some batteries. So I thought this would be a great video to share, because most people don't think of this. You know, it could happen to any of us, and I just want you guys to be prepared. And so I just picked up a few little lights. You know, of course it won't give you a lot of light, but it'll be better than nothing in case you had a power outage. And so I just decided to store these items in this shoebox, and I'll show you where I store it at the end of the video. So my channel is budget friendly and anything that's kind of useful in everyday life. And if there's something you're interested in, tap that pink icon at the bottom of the video and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So yeah, I try to share things that most people don't think about. And so here is my emergency power outage kit. And so I'm going to go ahead and store it in my laundry area that I just upgraded. And so in case I have an outage, I just reach up there and pick up the entire box.